Is AI video to the point where I can actually replace my videographer? That's what I'm going to put to the test today. I've been testing a lot of different AI video generators. Today I'm going to be looking at AtLabs and see if I can make a promotional video for my school group, the Income Builders Club, without any editing software, without spending a dime hiring anyone. Let's see if I can do this. So here's the deal. I work with a lot of businesses. I do consulting, I do web design, and most of them want video content in some way or another. But here's the problem. A decent promo video costs anywhere from $500 to $2,000. That's usually the range that people are looking at. And that's a lot for a small business, especially when you factor, you hire a videographer, you pay for editing, you buy stock footage, you get the audio mixed, it adds up quickly. And then there's a lot of back and forth. Sometimes there's weeks of back and forth before you actually get something produced. So again, looking at AtLabs and wondering, what if I could skip all that? What if I could just tell AI what I want and then it creates the whole thing for you? That's kind of what I'm looking for AI to do for me. So challenge for today, create a professional looking promo video using nothing but AI, no camera, no editing, just me, a computer, and whatever AtLabs can do for me. So here I am logged into AtLabs and I'm looking at their workflows. You can turn a script to a video. You can do a music video. What I really want to focus on today are their animated videos. I'm told that's where they shine. So let's click here. So for this one, we're going to create an ad for my AI Income Builders Club. This is my free school group where I just kind of go over how you can use AI to be more productive and make more money. So I generated a quick script to put in here for this animated video that I'm going to make with AtLabs. They also have an AI script writer here, so if you don't know what you want to put in there, you can use that tool and it'll generate a script for you. So then what it does is it takes your script, it detected that it's a story that you're wanting to tell, so you can generate a screenplay. And it takes about 2 minutes, so I will see you in 116 seconds. All right, so it took my script and it put it together into a storyboard. So different scenes here, so a total of 10 different scenes, and you can change the location, you can change, if it's interior, exterior, what time of the day it is. You want to try to keep it consistent, if it's a story all happening in the same place. So I can add other scenes if this isn't enough. So now you pick your aspect ratio. So depending on if you're wanting to use it as an ad, like for TikTok or Instagram or even a YouTube short, you want it vertical, the 9:16. If you're wanting to do it as a horizontal regular YouTube video, it'd be 16:9. For this one, I think it'll be better in a swipe feed. So I'm going to put it 9:16. And then your video style, I'm just going to do an AI video. So then you can edit Maya. She's the character in our story. So you can put in more information about her, what she looks like. They actually have characters that you can pick from. But again, since this is an animated video, it's going to be like an animated version of them. This one's actually named Maya, so I'm going to use her. So you can go through and they have access to like all the different video models. I mean, there's tons of them here, which can be kind of overwhelming. So I'm really thankful they have this automatic mode where it will the fastest and best quality motion model based on your video. So it looks at your video, they know what model is going to be best and they pick the best. So we're going to do that. We're going to click preview and see what we get. But this is where AtLabs does all the magic. So this takes a few minutes, but they will add the background music. They'll generate a voiceover, all the stuff that would normally take a professional video team weeks to put together. That's what they're doing behind the scenes via AI right now. All right, so here is what it put together. So we got 10 scenes with the voiceover there. I can go in, I can edit any of them individually if I want, but I kind of want to just see what this did on its first take here.
What if AI could do more than impress you? What if it could help you?
That's Maya.
Maya was tired of endless advice and zero results. Then she found a place built for action, not just theory. Every lesson showed her exactly how to turn AI tools into profit. She learned faster by following simple step-by-step guidance. And she was no longer building alone. Support from other builders turned ideas into momentum. Soon, AI was helping her create offers, content, and real opportunities. That is the power of using AI to grow your business. Join the AI Income Builders Club and turn AI from something you study into something that pays.
Okay, so what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Would you join AI Income Builders Club based on that ad? I think it looks pretty good. So I can go through, I could switch to a different character if I wanted to. I can change the narrator voice if I want to something else. I actually thought that sounded pretty good. You can edit locations. So this is Maya's home office, but if I want to, explain it differently and put her in a different setting, I can do that also. So, and they have a whole bunch of different background music. I liked this montage momentum. But there's a whole bunch. You can change the volume if you want to customize this. So AI kind of does what it thinks is best. But if you have a particular taste, you can go in and edit as you want. So, and you can dive in even further. So say you want something different in a particular scene. I can click edit motion and I can go in and change this particular scene. Like maybe, hey, I want to see what this looks like with a nicer model. Do we get a little bit better video, but costs a few extra credits? I want to change what they say, what happens on the screen. You can edit it scene by scene. So I did make a second one. I'm working with a company called Zencoder, which is an AI coding tool. So I went through the same process and put this together. Again, the whole process from end to end takes I'd say about 10 minutes. So very fast to get these out. And I like the animated style. It's a little weirder when you're generating real people with AI. I feel kind of weird about that, but the animated characters with AI, that feels real natural.
Most AI coding tools see 12 lines of context. Your actual code base? 50,000 lines. That gap is why your AI keeps breaking things. Context-blind AI renames a function without updating the 20 files that call it. It invents APIs that don't exist in your framework. It creates new utility functions when you already have 3 that do the same thing. Every suggestion becomes a debugging nightmare because the AI can't see what you built yesterday, let alone last year. Zencoder.
That coffee transition was interesting.
Our Zen agents read your entire codebase before writing a single line. They understand your patterns, your existing functions, your architecture decisions. No more hallucinated imports. No more duplicate utilities. No more refactors that break production. Stop debugging your AI's hallucinations. Try Zencoder, the AI that actually knows your code. Link in bio.
Okay, so that's pretty good. Again, if I was going to release this as like a professional production video, there's a few things I'd want to go in and change. There was a couple animations that were a little bit off that I, could just go into edit motion and, hey, regenerate this, maybe use a nicer model to see if it gets it better. Some of the text stuff, I want to regenerate that and make sure the text all looks good. But for like first run for making a promotional video, this is pretty good. This could be a business in and of itself, is just making promotional videos for companies and selling it to them. So, and I did generate one more video. I won't show you this one just for time. I'll leave a link to it down below if you want to check it out. But this is 5 AI side hustles that can make you money right now. And it actually did the research and put the video together. So kind of all in one stop there. So the fact that I could get these 3 videos made in about 45 minutes for very low cost is pretty impressive to me. I'd kind of like to see in the comments, if you've made any AI videos, I'd like to see where your AI video making skill level is. Leave them in the comments. I want to check them out. But let's kind of give my review for AtLabs. So I think this will work great for social media content, explainer videos, ads, YouTube shorts, anything where you're needing quick, especially animated. That's what I really focused on here today, was the animated content. Perfect for businesses that need a video and they don't want to put the $2,000, $3,000 into, production level. I think probably don't expect like Hollywood level quality. That's not where AI is at quite yet. I think it's getting there. And AtLabs keeps adding all the different models as they come out. So we might be there soon. But if you're wanting to make a documentary for Amazon, you should probably get out your camera. But for small businesses, content creators, if you're considering a side hustle where you make AI videos for people, I think this is a perfect tool for that. You're wanting to pump out regular video content. Again, it took about 10 minutes to get one of these videos together. So, and of course, if you are wanting to make extra money with AI, do come check out the AI Income Builders Club. I'm going to put a blueprint for using AtLabs to start a company for making videos for like local businesses. I think that's a good business that could be out there. So again, leave a comment with what you have created. I would love to see it. If it's good, I'll feature it on the channel. I'll say, hey, here's some videos that my community have made. So leave those in the comments. Shout out to AtLabs. Thank you guys for building good software, good usable software. I appreciate it. It's really fun testing things like this. I'll probably do another video testing out. I kind of want to check out some of these other workflows. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.